Good evening everyone, and welcome to videoblog3 Solutions' third video blog. And today we're going to be talking about Windows 8 and how to make it more easier to use for you. Not everyone likes Windows 8. I'm not the biggest fan of it myself, but I know how to make it run better, look like more like Windows 7 and act like Windows 7. So if you want an operating system that does all that, then follow this blog. This is what Windows 8 will look like after you've installed it on your PC. As you can see, there's all the tiles on the desktop. If you want to get onto your desktop, you have to physically click on desktop. It doesn't go straight to desktop, it goes straight to the Metro screen first. So if you want to get back to the Metro screen, you scroll right in the left hand corner, click on it, and then it comes back to the Metro. If you want to open one of your programs of Windows 8, it's not as easy as Windows 7. You have to scroll right along the bottom, find Word in the list, click on it, and Word will open. There is a way to make that quicker by pinning Word to the desktop, and I'll show you how to do that. So if we go right down to the left hand corner, bring up the Metro screen, go right over to the far right hand side, right click on Word, and then click on Pin to Taskbar, and we will do that. And you'll see now when we go to the desktop, Word is now pinned to the taskbar. So it makes it quicker, so when you don't have to keep going back to the Metro to open Word or Excel or any program you want to open. I've also pinned, for example, Internet Explorer, so it makes it quicker to get onto Internet Explorer than it is going for the Metro system. Hello, welcome back. We've got back to our video now, and we've got Windows 8.1 installed, along with another program that is very useful called Classic Shell, which gives back the start bar back to your computer. You see we're doing some Windows updates here as well at the moment. We click on the start bar, click on all programs, and you can see it looks like Windows 7 again. So this is a free program. Type into Google Classic Shell and you can download it, and it gives you back the start bar. And the good thing about it as well, as you can see here, gives you back the shutdown feature as well, and also the restart, sleep, hibernate, all those things are now back in the menu. So when you restart this computer, it will go straight to the desktop. No more going into the Charms and the Metro. But if you want to bring up the Metro for any reason whatsoever to download an app or anything like that, just click on Start, click on Start Screen at the top. That takes straight back to the Metro interface. What we're going to talk about now is how to make Windows 8 go faster by shutting things off in Start. What I'm going to show you now, if we type in here into the search box, we're going to type in msconfig. That's msconfig. And what that does, it brings up a special menu where you can turn off items starting up in Start. This in turn could speed up the start of the machine, because you could have things which are not necessarily needed for the computer to start up properly. As you see there in the menu, it says selected starter. We're going to click on the tab which says Startup, and then we're going to click on Open Task Manager. At the moment we've got a few little items here which we can turn off like power, DVD-RC service. We don't really need that to start on startup. So we click on disable. And also the HP messaging service. Nothing not needed at all. We need the classic shell to start up so it boots into the desktop. And we need the graphics card and the Bluetooth. But we don't need Office starting. So we can click disable on that as well. And once we've done what we've needed to do, we'll just click on the red X and then the X again to come out of the menu. This is a couple of useful tips of how to make Windows 98 run better for you and quicker. That was the third video blog from BOIT Solutions. Sorry I made a few mistakes and mentioned Windows 98 instead of Windows 8. It's very confusing with Microsoft, especially when they call the product a similar name. I never understood why it was never called Windows 2013. Probably because it might have been unlucky. Who knows? But you can follow more information from BOIT Solutions on our Twitter page, our Facebook page, and also our web page. So if you want to find more tips and ideas in IT, come and follow us. We're always willing to help. So that is it for tonight. And at the end of this presentation you'll have the links you need to follow. So it's Ben signing out. And have a great weekend and a great month. Thank you. Bye bye.